nice pass laid down by Kim Pearbeck. Not the thing you want to see at the end of the run there, folks. Not sure what it was that come up out of the dash, but we're going to need a toe off. Oh, the old International got the bucket and carrying on a little bit of wobble jump going. Boy, the old Buckeye Harvester has really come to life, fans. A real nice pass. Control and another deer. Another deer tractor.
Oh, that didn't sound good. That did not sound good. Do they let you go?
Well, folks, I think the alcoholic harvester's Band-Aid.
Shot him wide too.
Gary says, pull her back to the line, guys.
You're running. This company owns the truck, but you know, I mean the flatbeds that are doing this. You're correct.
Well, the old road rage is talking back a little bit to him, fans, but don't count Gary out. John Deere fans now. Lord sakes, you talk about standing that thing up and walking her down.
Go, girl.
Oh, and a nice pass laid down by Heather Irvin on the Drunken Pumpkin. Good run, Alice Chalmers, 80-30 out. Dirty Sally right there, about the 300-foot mark. A little bit shy of 300, but a good pass laid down.